Hello guys, it's time to trim our cake. I discovered the cake has hole inside after baking. I don't know why it happened. Can somebody tell me what could cause it? I decided to turn the cake to the other side and trim. I put the knife through the cake and cut off any part that is higher. The idea behind it is to ensure that you have a level top. Keep on cutting until the knife can run through without any obstacle. Once it's now level, you see your knife passing through without any hindrances, as you can see in the video. Thank you so much for watching. Join me in the next video for the continuation. I love you. Bye.